On our third slide, we have significance of responsible selling. Under this, we have brand reputation. Brand reputation is the overall perception of the brand by its customer. A strong brand reputation can lead to customer loyalty, increased sales, and competitive advantage. So, yung brand reputation is ito yung kung paano ba nakikilala yung isang produkto, yung isang brand ng produkto. So, as a company, syempre, you have to do your best pag nag-launch ng isang product hanggang sa tumagal, magkaroon tayo ng mga trusted consumer, loyal, yun yung inaalagaan ng isang company. Brand reputation. Parang inaalagaan mo na hindi siya masira, hindi magkaroon ng negative feedback. Kasi pag maganda yung brand reputation, syempre nagigain ka ng loyalty ng customer. Paulit-ulit silang bibili. Syempre, pag paulit-ulit bumibili, tataas yung sales. Tapos, competitive advantage din yon sa brand reputation. So, bakit nga ba important din yung brand reputation sa isang selling? So, it influence consumer behavior because consumer are more likely to purchase products or service from brands they trust and have a positive reputation for. So, yun nga, they keep on buying that product kasi maganda yung nabibigay sa kanilang serbisyo or maganda yung product na yun, effective sa kanila, pagkain, masarap, mura. So, yun yung isang nabibigay as a benefit for the consumer. And then next one is it can make it easier to launch new product or services. A strong brand reputation can help to build awareness and excitement for new products and services. So pag ang isang company meron ng isang matatag na brand reputation, mas madali sa kanilang mag-launch ng bagong product. Kasi kilala na sila ng masa. So, hindi na ganun kahirap para mag-launch ng bagong product kasi nakatatak na sa mga consumer yung brand nila na nakilala na maganda yung performance, masarap, effective, mura. So, isa yun sa mga important. Last thing is it can protect a company from negative publicity. A company with a strong reputation is able to weather a crisis and maintain the trust of its customer and employees. So if ever yung company nagkaroon ng negative feedback, at least hindi ganon maapektuhan ng isang company kasi meron nang naging matatag na produkto or matagal na rin sa industry yung isang company na yun dahil dun sa isang product na yun na mabenta nila. So, hindi masyadong mahihirapan yung company na maipag-deal dun sa negativity na meron sila. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng company successful. Hindi lahat ng product na nilaunch, mabenta. So, meron dumadating na pag nag-launch ng bagong product, nagsa-sunset kagad kasi hindi patok sa masa, hindi tinangkilik ng mga consumer. So, may mga ganong nangyayari sa isang company, so isang business. And then, for the second significance is the customer trust. Customer trust is the belief that a company is reliable, honest, and competent. It is the foundation of a strong customer relationship and it's essential for business success. So, sa isang business, syempre, kailangan natin ng tiwala kasi yun ang magiging key sa isang successful na business o sa isang company. We should have to gain the trust of the consumer, especially pagka sa product, sa mga business. Kasi ang importance ng customer trust sa isang business or sa isang company, it leads to repeat business. Customer who trust a company are more likely to purchase from them again and again. So, magiging repeat customer sila, repeat consumer, repeat buyer. So, syempre, pag bumibili sila, nag-i-increase yung sales. Ikaw at ikaw ang ikaw at ikaw ang binibilan nila. Produkto mo ng produkto mo ang binibili nila. So more likely, pag ganun, syempre, fast moving tayo sa mga supermarket, mga ganon, pagka product ang pinag-uusapan. Next one is it boosts customer loyalty. Customer who trust a company are more likely to recommend to its friends and family. So pagka ganon, alam natin na trusted na yung company natin o yung product natin, more likely meron tayong i-endorse tayo or ano bang other term doon, i-refer. O ito na yung bilin mo kasi alam ko effective to. O ito na yung ano mo, mura na kasi trusted ko na to. Kumbaga, effective to kasi napatunayan ko ako gumagamit. So, i-recommend tayo. I-recommend yung company mo, i-recommend yung product mo, yung service mo. Yun yung pag nagkaroon na tayo ng trust, nakapag-build na tayo ng trust. And it also allows company to charge premium prices. Customer are willing to pay more for products and services from companies they trust. It helps companies to weather crisis. When a company experiences a setback, customer who trust is more likely to give it benefit of a doubt. So, pagka ganun, mas madali nakaka-cope up ang isang company pagka yung company na yun is kilala at saka maraming consumer na nagta-trust sa kanya. So, hindi siya mahihirapang, kumbaga, hindi sila mahihirapang bumangon agad kapag merong naging problema yung company nila.